because we have the extra hard stitchings at the 4 points. You can see the metal rod. This is here, the metal rod. You can take it out from here if you want. So hello everyone, today I am going to compare these two bags. This is Wildcraft 60 liter flip 2 rucksack, and this is our Aristocrat 65 liter. The name of the product is Aristocrat Pitch 65 liter rucksack. So about the price, you will get this bag in the range of 2000, 2200 or under 2000 if there is a sale, and you'll get this bag in the range of 1900 to 2000, maybe 1800 also. So the price range is almost same for both of this bag. So never go for the budget bags, it won't last longer. So it's better to take a branded bag. It's better you buy this type of bags which is branded, and it will last you longer. They are very strong. Today I'm going to compare these two, and I'll tell you that which one is the best among these two bags. So first of all, the capacity of this Wildcraft bag is 60 liter and the Aristocrat is of 65 liter. Both the bags have rain cover, you can see. So rain cover is given over here, and in Aristocrat we also have a rain cover. So both the bags have rain cover. Then about the compartments and all. So first we have Wildcraft over here. We don't have any compartment in the front. We only have a side chain. You can see we have a side chain which will take you to the main compartment. So this will directly take you to the main compartment. And we have water bottle holders both the sides of the bag, so it's good. So this is for the Wildcraft. Where in the Aristocrat we have a side chain at the bottom, which is a different compartment where you can keep your shoes, but it will eat the space from the main compartment only. So you can keep your shoes over here. We have a side compartment. Then we have a long chain over here which will take you directly to the main compartment. Okay. And we also have a side chain over here which is a different compartment where you can keep accessories, small accessories. Now let's see the inside of the bag. In Wildcraft, this is our laptop sleeve. यहाँ पे एक लैपटॉप रखने के लिए जगह है और एक पॉकेट भी दिया हुआ है जिसमें आप कुछ भी सामान रख सकते हैं, पासपोर्ट और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड। तो अब मैं आपको इस बैग के अंदर दिखाता हूँ इसके अंदर कैसा है। So just there is a big huge hollow cylinder, whatever you can say. So this bag is huge. You can fit all of your clothes into this. This 65 liter is huge. So as you have seen in Wildcraft, we have a laptop compartment and we have a pocket also. But in Aristocrat, we don't have anything inside the bag. We just have a big compartment and nothing else. In the Wildcraft bag, you will get laptop compartment and a pocket also. So now let's compare the back side of the bags. So here we have the Wildcraft bag and this is the Aristocrat one. So first of all, I'll compare the waist strap. So now you can see the strap of both of this bag. So here we have extra stitchings in the Aristocrat one, and this is the Wildcraft one where we have an extra stitching, and we also have this hard stitchings. You can see these are the hard stitchings that we have at the 4 points. So this Wildcraft bag is more stronger than the Aristocrat one because we have the extra hard stitchings at the 4 points. You can see. About the paddings, both the bag have breathable mesh padding, so not to worry. About the straps, after touching both of the straps, I feel that this one is the stronger and this one is nice, this one is good. Both the paddings are very good, but I feel the Wildcraft is the best. So now about the shoulder strap. So both the bag have a very good shoulder strap. They are almost the same. They have breathable mesh paddings. You can also see in the Wildcraft one breathable mesh paddings, and the quality of the shoulder strap is almost same, but the quality of the waist strap is better in Wildcraft than the Aristocrat. In both the bag we have the top chain. So this is a different compartment at the top where you can keep your accessories. In Wildcraft also we have the top chain to keep our accessories over here. So there's no metal rod support in this Aristocrat bag, so it will bend. You can see, so this bag bends easily. This doesn't have the metal support because it's made very lightweight. So this is lighter than the Wildcraft one, just because it doesn't have the metal rod, so that this bag bends a little. And the Wildcraft bag have a metal rod support, so it won't bend. It's very hard. It will never bend. It have a metal rod support, which makes the bag more stronger than the Aristocrat one. So you can see the metal rod. This is here, the metal rod. You can take it out from here if you want. After seeing the video, you can also tell that which one is the best. So finally the winner is Wildcraft 60 liter backpack. Wildcraft is the winner because it have a metal rod and the stitching is better than the Aristocrat one. They have this hard stitching almost everywhere in the bag, so I'll choose the Wildcraft one. If you want a bag for trekking and for almost everything, then you should take the Wildcraft one. So that's all from the video. If you want to suggest any other bags, then you can comment below the video. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos in future, then please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.